Hi everyone. If you missed class this week, don't worry. In this short video, we'll walk through the basics of estimating concrete, covering quantity takeoff, formwork, reinforcement, and costing. Let's get started. When estimating concrete, we need to account for three key things: the concrete itself, the formwork, and the reinforcement. We estimate concrete in cubic yards, formwork in square feet of contact area, and reinforcement in pounds or tons. To simplify your estimating, we use the centerline perimeter, or CLP. It's a smart shortcut that averages out overlaps at corners when measuring foundations or walls. Here's how to calculate it. Start with total perimeter P equals 2 times the sum of length and width. For example, if the length is 34 feet 6 inches and the width is 22 feet 8 inches, then P equals 2 times 34.5 plus 22.67, which equals 114.34 feet. Next, subtract the overlapping thickness at 4 corners. Let's say wall thickness is 10 inches, which equals 0.83 feet. So, CLP equals 114.34 minus 4 times 0.83, which equals 111.02 feet. This CLP is what you'll use for footing volume, wall volume, formwork, and reinforcement. Now that we have CLP, we can calculate concrete volume. The formula is volume equals CLP times width times height. Using the same example, if CLP is 111.02 feet, width is 1.5 feet, and height is 2.83 feet, then volume equals 111.02 times 1.5 times 2.83, which equals 471.28 cubic feet, or approximately 18 cubic yards. Next, formwork. This includes forms on both sides, plus studs, bracing, and ties. Formula. Formwork in square feet of contact area equals circumference of the length of perimeter, multiplied by height, then multiplied by 2. If your wall is 8 feet tall, square feet of contact area equals 157.33, multiplied by 8, then multiplied by 2, which equals 2,517.28 square feet of contact area. Reinforcement is estimated in pounds or tons. Use this formula for each set of bars. Weight equals 2.67 multiplied by diameter squared, multiplied by length, then multiplied by quantity, where diameter is the bar diameter in inches. Ask yourself, how many bars? How long are they? What's the total weight? You'll usually estimate longitudinal bars, which run the long way, transverse bars, which run the short way, and dowels, which connect the wall and footing. Use circumference of the length of perimeter, or linear length, and don't forget spacing and cover. Always round up bar counts and add one more. Example time. The wall is 56 feet, 5 inches long and 10 feet, 6 inches tall, with number 5 bars at 18 inches on center. Spacing is 1.5 feet. N equals 56.42 divided by 1.5, which is approximately 38 plus 1, making it 39 bars. The diameter is 5/8 of an inch, which is 0.625. The weight is calculated as 2.67 times 0.625 squared times 10.5 times 39, giving us 909.8 pounds, which is 0.45 tons. Now let's put a price on it. Labor equals QTO times productivity times dollars per hour. For materials, you need to consider concrete in cubic yards, rebar in tons, and formwork in square foot contact area. Add it all up for your total cost. To recap, calculate the centerline perimeter. To simplify everything, use it for volume, formwork, and rebar. Double check spacing, covers, and bar counts. Break out costs by labor and materials. And most important, show your math clearly. That's it. You now have the tools to estimate concrete like a pro. If you have questions, bring them to class or send me an email. See you soon.